Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Enroll. Enroll is an exceptional platform that offers an extensive range of benefits to its users, from its user-friendly interface to its comprehensive features. Enroll has proven to be an invaluable tool for individuals and organizations alike. And let's start. So let's sign in. Let's sign with Google. Yes. So one of the most impressive aspects of Enroll is its intuitive design. Navigation through the platform is a breeze, thanks to its well-organized layout and clear instruction. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, Enroll ensures a seamless and hassle-free experience for all. Okay. Welcome to Enroll. You will need your first name and your last name. Ayman. What's a great name? So along with making the web a better place, we have got more missions for you. At Enroll, we love our cows. Unfortunately, one of the most beloved bovines is lost in space. It's a long story. Do you mind helping us out? Yes. Let's go. Let's find the cow. This should take about 5 minutes. Let's make it into. Oh, why do you need my PayPal account to find the cow? I know my PayPal is working. What language do you fluently speak? Yeah, sadly only 3. So we'll be able to text you when you are qualified for a test. This also help us in your verification process. So I am in Morocco. Yes, Morocco. Phone number, this is it. Country, not even. Okay, let's keep it fun. 40% to find the cow. The more available you are, the more tests you can receive. So do you want us to always send you a test? Shut up, Elias. You test as soon as they are available? Yes. Why not? What gender do you identify with? Male. What is your birth date? Must be 13 years or older, 16 years or older for countries in the Europe. Okay. I think this is the best website because I don't have to lie about my birthday or its trap. What is your highest level of education? Where am I? What is your daily job? Student fair. I saw student. I'm a student. If you have a part-time job or have a past job, share your work experience with us. Industry, personal site. Ooh, those are all side jobs. I don't have. What are your top job skills? What's IB testing? I don't know it. It means I don't know how to do it. So what can I do? Okay. Let's say I am welcoming visitors. Yes, I can do this. I mean, I can try. So transcription, I can do it. We have translation, I saw. From the language, I speak freely, fluently, and clearly. Let's add some skills. Editing what? I can try. We have something, email marketing, email automation, Excel, advanced Facebook paid ads, features. We have graphics, human resource. I can make humans or not. Forget what I said. Photoshop, no, I'm not good. Reporting, let's go. So, how do you make money? In the past years or so, which type of income did you have? In employment, no, I mean gambling, no. Bonus, alimony. What's your. Oh, it's zero. I don't. Where are your job? What are your job hobbies? Okay. I don't think I have hobbies, but I can make new ones for this. So the hobby one, I like starting from the beginning, from the end. I I would like writing, why not? But I'd hate painting, word search, working, wood, wine making, Wikipedia editing, whale catching. Wow, what hobbies? Weaving, waxing, water polo, VR game, walking. Wow, and we have also watching movies. Okay, I think I have lots of hobbies that I don't know about. Television, no, but movies, yes. So we have BMX building, candy making, card games, no, chemistry, yeah, a little bit. Chess. I saw chess. Everyone can beat me at chess, but I still can survive. So let's just stop at hobby 6. Go. My hobby is to go. So how would you like to describe your computer proficiency? Computer, middle. How many hours per day do you spend on the internet? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What device do you use? Can you test on? Actually, for now, just the desktop. Sweet, you are approved. Wow. I found the call? No. Let's make the web better place for you. Keep the dashboard questions, making some serious progress toward your next missions. Have you ever heckled a comedian? Sadly, no. Okay. Are you a recruiter? What's a recruiter? I mean, I didn't want it here. Meaning, a person whose job is enlist or enroll jobs as employees. No, I mean, no, for now. Have you received a mammogram? Yeah, another word that I have to look for. An X-ray imaging or to detect or presence of tumor. No. So how old were you when you had your blood drawn first? Actually, never. And I can't choose never. So let's choose my current age. So next, do you consider yourself as solopreneur? A person who sets up and runs a business on their own? No. Okay, I think this is taking too long. Yeah, I don't think this is going to be finished. Mission progress is 0%. And to reach 100%, I have to answer everything. So I have to end the video here. I like to answer these questions. This website has also a customer support that's available every time. So, in conclusion, Enroll is a top-notch platform that offers comprehensive and enriching learning experience with its user-friendly interface, diverse course selection, interactive learning features, and vibrant learning community. Enrolls is undoubtedly a valuable resource for individuals and organizations seeking to expand their knowledge and skills. And otherwise, these questions make you feel important. That's why I'm continuing this. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.